to the file, import and file. Let's import all the balloons. Drag the red balloon to the timeline panel. Press Y and change the anchor point to the bottom of the balloon. Pre-compose the layer and rename it as red balloon. Now go to the composition settings and change the width to 200 and height to 200. Keep the comp duration to 45 frames and trim the comp to work area. Select the layer and press S to get the scale properties. Now scale it down to fit inside the work area. Now take the pen tool and draw the line. Search for the path to animate. Create a keyframe. Now go to the end frame and create a keyframe, and also in the middle. Adjust the line to opposite direction. Now copy this keyframe and paste it to the end keyframe. Select the keyframe and press Ctrl T to get the transform tool. Rotate it to the left side. Now select the middle keyframe and press Ctrl T to get the transform tool and rotate it to the right side. Copy the first keyframe and paste it to the end keyframe to get the looping animation. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Press Ctrl T to get the text layer. Now let's change the text color to white and scale it down to fit the balloon. Now go to the effects and presets, search for the bulge effect and drag and drop it to the text layer. Adjust its values to get the correct position. Now parent the text layer to the balloon layer. Select the layer and press R to the rotation properties. Create a keyframe on the first frame and in the middle. Change the value to -1 in the first frame and +1 in the middle. Copy the first keyframe and paste it to the end for the looping animation. Select the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Now let's hide the text layer and go to the comp one. Right click, go to the time, enable time remapping. Now it's not looping till the end. To fix it, Alt click the layer stopwatch and go to the properties and select loop out. Press spacebar to preview the animation. Now it will loop continuously. Let's duplicate this layer and also duplicate the red balloon comp in the project panel also. Rename it to green balloon. Now press Alt drag and drop the green balloon comp to red balloon layer. Go inside the comp. Select the red balloon PNG layer and press Alt and drag and drop the green balloon PNG to the red balloon. Now the green balloon will be replaced in the same position as it is like the red balloon. Change the text to whatever you want and position it to fit to the balloon. Now let's change the text color to the dark green. Adjust its values to get the correct position. Now let's hide the text layer and go to the comp one. Repeat the same process for the yellow balloon like what we did for the green balloon. Hide the text layer. After the yellow is done, once all the balloons are done, off all the balloon layer. Let's create a solid layer and rename it to red balloon particles. Now let's add the CC particle world effect to it. Now uncheck the grid. Go to physics and select direction axis. Velocity to 0 and change the gravity to move up. Resistance to 50. Longevity to 30. Change the gravity to minus 3.7. Go to the producer. Change the radius x to 6. Go to particles. Change the birth and death color to white. Go to the producer and change the radius y to 0.7. Go to the particles and select texture square. In the texture layer, select the red balloon layer. Now the balloon is linked with the particle layer. Change the radius z to 4. Change birth and death size to 4. Reduce the birth rate to 0.03. Change opacity map to full. Go to extras, effect camera, change FOV to 60. Bring the position Y to below the composition. Let's change it to 2. Press spacebar to preview the animation. Change the random seed to 10. Duplicate the layer and rename it to green. Go to particle, change the text layer to green balloon layer. Now the green balloon is replaced in the same position. Change the random seed value to make the difference. Change the random seed to 50. Press spacebar to preview the animation. Again duplicate the green balloon particles and rename it to yellow. Go to particles and change the text layer to yellow balloon layer. Now change the random seed value to 5. Press spacebar to preview the animation. Go to green balloon comp. Adjust the keyframes to make some difference. Now select the particle layers and move it to the left side. Hit spacebar to preview the animation. Now let's on all the text layers. Now the animation is done. Let's preview it. The animation looks good. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.